Jesus, I am thankful for all you've given me, and I'm asking for your help, Lord, to be all you'd have me be. With an humble voice I cry out from this world filled with pain. Please help me see the sunshine and look beyond the rain. I'm asking you, 'cause you know how to heal my heart and clear my doubt. You can take away the hurt and make it all work out. I'm asking you, 'cause you know how. May I always be aware of the blessings that you bring. May you always be the reason I lift my voice and sing. Lord, teach me faith and guide me and show me how to stay through trying times that face me. Lord, I know you